Whether you call them Bitcoin NFTs, digital artifacts, or ordinals, these new JPEGs are brewing up a storm and making waves across the crypto space. With Bitcoin punks selling for upwards of 1.1 Bitcoin, non-fungible tokens on the Bitcoin blockchain are not to be ignored. Since when has the Bitcoin network become the hottest place to trade NFTs? What does this mean for Bitcoin transaction fees, and why is the Bitcoin community against all this newfound interest? Now, let's start with the question, what are the Bitcoin Ordinals? The Ordinal protocol allows users to inscribe data, like an image or a file, onto an individual Satoshi. In the same way that 100 cents makes up $1, 100 million Satoshis makes 1 Bitcoin. Casey Rodermore, the founder behind the protocol, claims that the digital artifacts reflect what NFTs should be. While upgradable NFT standards and enforceable royalties have become popular on other blockchains, Bitcoin NFTs are truly immutable, permissionless, and censorship-resistant. This leads to some creative use cases, as speculated by the wider Bitcoin community. Bitcoin NFTs are slightly different from their cousins over on Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche. Ordinal NFTs store the entirety of their inscribed data directly on-chain instead of simply linking a JPEG to a non-fungible token. All this was made possible following a loophole Casey Rodermore discovered in the latest Bitcoin Taproot upgrade. Limited only by block size, data can now be stored on-chain on the world's most decentralized blockchain. What's more, the protocol doesn't rely on any smart contracts. While this arguably streamlines the protocol, it complicates future utilities like DeFi integrations. Now, despite what the newer generation of cryptocurrency enthusiasts might believe, this isn't the first time we have seen NFTs on the Bitcoin network. Crypto veterans will remember Namecoin NFTs, which, while not quite resembling today's apes and punks, are widely considered the first non-fungible tokens. In 2015, the Counterparty network hosted NFT trading card games and the now iconic card collection. While these early NFTs are technically considered Counterparty NFTs, they used Bitcoin network functions to anchor references on the original blockchain, giving them their place in Bitcoin history. Like any revolutionary new technology, Bitcoin NFTs have divided the Bitcoin community into two camps. Bitcoin maximalists have shunned ordinals from the outset, arguing that Bitcoin is a financial instrument. They believe that adding ordinal NFTs into the mix only corrupts the network and dilutes the value of the world's first cryptocurrency. On the other hand, Bitcoin NFTs have arguably brought renewed interest to the network and raised the ceiling on potential use cases for Bitcoin blockchain. Ordinals add an additional layer of culture and history to the Bitcoin archives, while also benefiting Bitcoin miners thanks to boosted transaction fees. Network congestion leads to limited block space and a spike in Bitcoin gains. Now, before strapping on your FOMO boots and dividing into non-existent Bitcoin metaverse, there are a few things you need to know. The Ordinal NFT ecosystem is still in its infancy and demands a high level of technical knowledge to navigate effectively. First of all, there is no NFT market on the Bitcoin network. All Ordinal NFT trades are completed through trusted peer-to-peer trades in Discord servers or Telegram channels. As is often the case, these trading environments attract plenty of scammers. If you're trading Bitcoin NFTs OTC, do your due diligence and use the reliable middleman or intermediary. As if the barrier to entry wasn't already high enough, things just get more complex. You can't sell, transfer, or trade a native Ordinal NFT unless you're running a full Bitcoin node on your computer. Setting a node isn't easy, and syncing up with the Bitcoin network can take up to 3 days. Fortunately, there is an easier way to create a Bitcoin NFT. Websites like Ordinals.bot or Gamma.io simplify the process but severely limit your Bitcoin transactions. Unless you're running a node, you still won't be able to sell or transfer your NFT. Finally, you can currently only hold 1 Ordinal NFT per Bitcoin wallet. What's more, if you accidentally send the Satoshi that your Bitcoin NFT is inscribed on, you will lose it forever, even if you're sending it to a trusted crypto exchange like Binance. So, diving into the world of Bitcoin NFTs is a bit of a jungle. There is a solution, however, if you're itching to get your hands on a Bitcoin NFT but don't have the technical knowledge or time to go through the exhausting Ordinal onboarding process. Emblem vaults are a unique approach to NFT trading that allows users to package data from other chains like Bitcoin or Dogecoin into an Ethereum NFT. Each emblem vault contains private keys for data, like NFTs, that are stored on other blockchains. It makes it possible to trade NFTs from other networks like Bitcoin or Solana as if they were Ethereum NFTs. One could argue that this represents peak irony in the crypto space. Even after all these years and all the progress in the industry, we're still generating Ethereum native punk art on other chains. This isn't a new idea, but this is the first time we have started repackaging these outsider punks to resell them on Ethereum. As always, buying emblem vaults on OpenSea carries an element of risk. Because anything can be coded into emblem vault, it's difficult to know if the vault you're looking at contains a genuine Bitcoin punk. It's recommended to always conduct thorough research before buying any emblem vaults claiming to contain Bitcoin NFTs. Otherwise, you will find yourself chalking up more capital losses on your crypto taxes. Anyway, on the flip side, Ordinal NFTs are the latest gold rush in the crypto market. However, the high barrier to entry makes it difficult to navigate and gives scammers and bad actors a platform to take advantage of unaware users. Bitcoin NFTs are increasing network congestion on the Bitcoin network. While this is great for Bitcoin miners, regular users suffer from higher transaction fees and network congestion. Now, thanks for watching the video, have a good day, and I'll see you next week.